If I were the Prime Minister of India. India is the largest democratic country, and the Prime Minister of our country is the administrative head of the whole nation. The Prime Minister is a very powerful person and rules the country. If I were the Prime Minister, I shall try my best to make my country a strong and self-respecting nation. If I were the Prime Minister of India, I would motivate youngsters. As a leader, I would lead a simple life. Poverty and illiteracy is a big challenge for India. If I were the Prime Minister of India, first of all, I would work for removing poverty and illiteracy. I will promote the education system and help poor students to get free education. My country is proud of great personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose and Swami Vivekananda. I would follow their teachings and principles. India is a land of villages. The rural areas of this country are not properly developed. I would work for overall development of rural people. I would like to open hospitals everywhere to serve the sick and poor people. I would try to maintain good relationship with neighboring countries, but I would not allow the enemies to disturb place in my land. I would make travel free for the old people and children. I would encourage and educate the farmers to grow more crops. I would try to make the taxation system more useful and rational. I would try my best to remove the corruption. I would also encourage our scientists to make new discoveries. I would not use public money uselessly. I would lead India to great heights. I would try my best to suppress terrorism in any part of India and do my best to save innocent people from their attacks.